Yo, what's up everyone? I'm Jackie YBT, tech away, tech everything. In today's video, I'm gonna unbox and review this Mcdodo 2-in-1 MC-146 wireless MagSafe power bank. As the name suggested, it not only can charge your iPhone, but it also can charge your Apple Watch at the same time, as you can see here. We're gonna find out whether this is worth your money to use it or not. Unbox it and review, explain everything, okay? Disclaimer here, this video is not sponsored by Mcdodo. However, if you guys want to sponsor me, you know where to find me, hit me up, just let me know. Mcdodo, sponsor me, please. Okay, without further ado, let's get straight into it. So this is the packaging itself of the Mcdodo MC-146 2-in-1 magnetic wireless power bank. Product picture and the signature orange brand logo with some tiny wording here showing the feature that you get. Wireless charging for iPhone and Apple Watch. Digital display, nice. It's not your usual dot display. This is more accurate, showing the percentage, percent by percent. A strong magnetic connection and pattern built-in bracket that's acted as a kickstand. Okay. On the side, it's like a tagline: charge faster, go further. The same thing on the back. Some specification. You can pause it if you want to read it. It supports wireless charging up to 15 watts, and for the Apple Watch is 2.5 watts only, super slow. But that's the specification for Apple Watch charging, wireless charging, the kickstand. I'll show you later on. Okay, right now unboxing time. My trustworthy cutter. Slice it from the top and tear it down, easy. I got this from a store, physical store, that charged me 128 ringgit. You can get it online. I'll put the link down below. It should be slightly cheaper. The price range is around 110 to 140. It depends where you buy it. Usually online is selling cheaper. That's why I put a link down below if you guys want to buy it. So how to open? Okay, open from the bottom and
2,000 years later.
Okay, slide it out. Okay, pretty nice. You don't get a pouch for this. If they give a free pouch, that would be nice. This is just your simple plastic cover. Okay, and what else you get? Okay, the cable, USB-C to USB-C cable. You also get like the warranty card, user manual guide. So this is the user manual guide. If you don't know how to use this, you can take it out and read it for yourself. Okay, I'm not gonna read it. And this is the warranty card or warranty paper. Okay, and the warm tip. So this card, warm tip, is basically answer all your concern. When you first use the power bank for the first time, there will be some deviation on the battery capacity display, so make sure you use it until the battery is running out, and then you recharge it 3 times for the battery to calibrate. Also, it will generate a little bit of heat. Not right now, I cannot tell you whether it will heat up or not because I just use it, but it will definitely generate some heat because it's still wireless charging. Your phone is on top of the wireless coil, and some other stuff like the magnetic attraction, this and that. So you can pause it if you want to read it. So for the dimension of the Mcdodo wireless charging power bank 2-in-1 is 109 mm for the length, 69 mm for the wide, and 21.5 mm for the thickness, and the product weight at 227 grams. Quality is pretty nice. It's not that heavy. It's 227 grams only. For 2-in-1, I would say that's a reasonable weight. It's not super light, but it's reasonable. Consider you getting so many features. And power button is over here, and USB in and out. You can charge it with the cable if you don't want to charge it wirelessly. And the display itself. Take this off. Let's see. We still got 81% left. Pretty nice. I like it. The kickstand, of course. You just drag it out and put it back. So here's my iPhone 13 mini. Let's do it. So you charge it like this, you know, with case. You can charge it on the side. Yeah, this is very important to show the animation, where it shows that this charger is compatible with Apple standard wireless MagSafe standard. So you can do this, drag it out and place it on the table like this. And it's not top heavy because it is iPhone 13 mini, super small phone. It's a light phone. If you're using like a iPhone 15 Pro Max, that's a big phone, so it might wiggle around. And the magnetic, I would say, is quite strong. You know, and I'm doing this, it won't fall out. Okay, you can charge it like vertical, horizontal, no problem. And this is how you charge it in the vertical form. Look at that. Okay, so right now let me try the Apple Watch. So I want to charge both. Can I do that? Should be able to. Okay. We have some technical difficulty. Wait. Okay, let me try again. Alright, so just now the power bank switched off itself, so let me try again. As you can see, you can charge it immediately. And let me do the same thing to my phone. So both are charging at the same time. Yeah, so technical issue, my fault. So you can indeed charge both devices at the same time, no problem. It's very smooth to touch, 20 watts here. Very smooth matte finish. It feels premium in your hand. The logo here and the kickstand. Very comfortable to hold it. I'm glad that Mcdodo opting for the matte finish instead of like a piano finish. That will be a fingerprint magnet. This one, it will attract a bit of fingerprint, but it's not that obvious and you can wipe it out easily. Yeah, very comfortable to hold it. Okay, one thing to mention, there's a logo over here, so it's safety on flying, so you can bring this to airplane, taking a flight, no problem. So while you can stand up the power bank and charge your iPhone, I don't recommend you guys to do it the same thing for your Apple Watch. Just take a look at this. It might fall off, because just now off camera, oh yeah, look at that. I just trying to take out the kickstand and just fall off. So the magnetic suction is not that strong for Apple Watch. If you want to charge your Apple Watch without any problem falling off, you know, just put it flat. I don't think I mentioned about if you want to achieve the 20 watts, you have to use the output, USB output. So use the cable that is provided by the Mcdodo. Use that, plug it in, and then charge your phone with this if you want to get the 20 watts fast charging. And make sure your phone also support 20 watts fast charging. Okay, just take it out. Pretty typical USB-C to USB-C cable. This is about 50 cm, 0.5 meters. Okay, not too long, it's very short. Tiny one. It's just your normal rubber cable. There's no special treatment on that. Like, it's not like nylon cable. Yeah. So you might ask this question on whether this Mcdodo wireless charging power bank can support any Android phones. The answer is yes, it will support any Android phone that support Qi wireless charging technology. But then this is specifically designed for iPhone because of the MagSafe technology. You can still use it, but I would say that there will be a much better option if you want to charge your Android phones. But then you still can do that. It's no harm, but like I said, this is specifically designed for Apple's product. iPhone and Apple Watch. So you might even ask that for the smaller charging coil that support Apple Watch, can I use that for my other smartwatch like the Samsung one or any other wearables that support wireless charging? Well, to answer your question, let me show you. So this Samsung Galaxy Watch 4, let me try it out. Right now it's the battery is dead. Let me try it out whether will it charge it or not. Yeah, it's not working because the magnet can't locate, can't stick to it, because this is way bigger than the Apple Watch. So the answer is no. Okay, this is only designed for Apple Watch. So if you want to charge your wearables, sorry, you can only charge it with your Apple Watch using this Mcdodo. The power bank will turn off if it's inactive for a certain period of time. So as you can see, the display here, when your phone supports fast charging, it will show the PD icon in green, to indicate that right now the power bank is in a fast charging mode. One thing I forgot to mention, sorry about the fan noise here, I just want to say that if you charge both devices at the same time, you won't get fast charging. As you can see, the display over here, there's no PD fast charging that show in the green light. Just now I show you, here we don't have that anymore. If you want fast charging, just charge one device at a time, okay? Don't charge both at the same time. And the kickstand is a bit thin. I wish that they can make it bigger and stronger to hold it, because although my phone is small, when you push it, it still like wiggle a bit. Yeah, so it can be stronger. That's my feedback for this power bank. But other than that, this is a really good option, a travel buddy. You know, you can charge your Apple Watch and your iPhone at the same time. Definitely will bring up the convenience level, doing both things at the same time, and it's compact. It's not that big. Of course, if you compare to the Apple version of MagSafe battery pack, this is way bigger, but then this 10,000 milliamp and also 2-in-1. For the price, I think it's worth it. So that's my unboxing / first impression or review. We say thanks for watching, guys. Remember to give a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment down comment section below, and click the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Share this video to your friends and family, and I will see you in the next video, guys. Goodbye.